Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports. The JFF board member Danny Beckford says there is now a split within the federation, with the incumbent Michael Ricketts being challenged by current Vice President Raymond Anderson. Beckford, who is on the slate of the latter, believes the race to lead the local football governing body is transforming into something bigger than just sports.
I can tell you something. The biggest concern is that we are a divided lot right now. It's like a big party politics. So anything that's the incumbents them do, it is applauded by, at this point in time, the majority. The minority of us who are at least open to question certain things, some of the time now you are labeled as so and so.
Beckford's comments came after one of the three bodies that was accepted at a board meeting on Wednesday to form part of a new voting caste was thrown out. 2022 champions Harbourview will bow into action for the first time in this season's Jamaica Premier League when they take on former champions Arnott Gardens in the feature clash of a doubleheader at the Stadium East complex this evening. Harbourview missed the opening rounds due to their semi-final engagement in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. The Stars of the East will come up against an Arnott Gardens team who are in a rampant mood following their thumping 4-0 win over Malines United in Week 2. That match kicks off at 7:30. The first encounter of the day at 5 p.m. pits Tivoli Gardens, who brushed aside Waterhouse 3-0 in their only match to date, face off with Veer United, who are on a point after their opening round 0-0 draw with Malines United. Last season, both matches ended in drawn results. Still in football, North London team Tottenham Hotspur can regain leadership of the English Premier League today when they welcome fellow London rivals Chelsea at 3 p.m. Jamaica time. Tottenham, the only unbeaten team so far in the competition, are on 26 points, one behind defending champions Manchester City. Meanwhile, Chelsea only have 3 wins so far to start the season and are 13th on 12 points and hunt only their 7th win for the calendar year in the league. The contest also has an added twist, with former Spurs manager Mauricio Pochettino revisiting his former place of employment for the first time since he was sacked in 2019. CEO of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Courtney Francis, says an internal investigation will be done into the Jamaica Scorpions for showing at the ongoing Regional Super 50 Cup in Trinidad and Tobago. The Scorpions, who lifted the title last year, ended at the bottom after concluding their participation on Saturday with a 7-wicket defeat to the Guyana Harpy Eagles on Duckworth Lewis. The Jamaican franchise ended on 7 points after 6 defeats from their 7 games. The squad includes 7 players with international experience, including current West Indies T20 captain Ruffman Powell. Francis says given the squad selected, he is at a loss as to what transpired in the Twin Island Republic.
I reached out to the team, just give them a call, just to motivate them, and I'm awaiting their return where I can get better information so that we'll be able to sit down and do an assessment, so we'll be able to see where they have gone wrong, where we could have done things differently, and to see how best we can put systems in place for this not to repeat.
The only game the Scorpions didn't lose was their abandoned match against the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. I'm O'Shane Master. Shamala, it's back to you.